Alrighty folks, I want to make a quick video about, does Amazon price match? The answer is no, they do not, but I do want to show you a little hack. So I purchased this light switch right here. It's very expensive because it has an integrated driver, which goes from high voltage to low voltage for LED lights for underneath my cabinets in my kitchen. Anyway, it doesn't have to be this precise item, but I'm just letting you know. So I purchased it for $155.34, and right here, they're having a 15% off deal. This is when I purchased it literally about a week ago or so. And I was like, man, that's about a $20 difference. That's worth my time to dig into it for a little bit and see what I got. Anyway, make a long story short, went down here at the bottom of the page, hit help. You got to jump through a few little loopholes about what item you want to call about. I inputted my phone number. They called me. I talked to an operator. I said, hey, listen, do you price match? He said no, but let me look into it. And they're crediting back my debit card used on file for $20, the difference between the deal price and this price. And the reason why they honor this as well is because I just told them straight up, I said, I don't want to return this. I haven't even touched it. It came a week ago. I haven't unboxed it or anything like that. It's brand new. I don't want to return it just to buy the same one again for 20 bucks cheaper. And they understand that. That's why they're going to comp you back. Maybe not in all cases, but in this case, I got 20 bucks for about 5 minutes of my work. I thought that was worth it. And also to clarify, this is the same exact company that I purchased it from. They're the ones having the 15% off sale. That's why they allowed the credit to go through as well. Anyway, I hope the video has helped you. You guys have a great day.